I'm about to change the fuel filter, and on this model it is located inside the right rear wheel, right there behind that cover. And there's actually two ways to do it. The workshop manual states that you need a pump and a connector. After you change the filter, you need to pump up some fuel to the engine. You're supposed to release that connector, and you need a new male part, looks like that. And you need a pump, works with something like this to pump up fuel to the engine. But there is an easier way to do it, so let me show you. You start by removing the cover. There is some clips, one right there, and then there's a pin there, and two pins on the other side. They're actually there.
A few moments later.
And then you remove the filter. You can probably do it by hand without tools. Let's see if that works. Yeah. And let's find a new filter in the storage. And before you install the new filter, the trick is to fill it up with diesel as much as possible. Okay, I had no leaks testing, so just install the cover again. Start by pushing the pins in on the right side, these two, like this. Clips faster screw, turn clockwise a couple of turns. There you have it.